So if we kind of draw a parallel to the analog world, it's more like there are tools, but tool is as good as a hand who uses that tool. In expert hand, you can increase the proficiency, but just because sometimes I'm into woodworking and hobbies, and sometimes just because you bought the latest tool does not mean just buying a good camera doesn't make you a good photographer.
I think the analogy you used was a really good one. In fact, I was going to quote the woodworking analogy. Like, if you're a master craftsperson and you're using manual tools like your chisel and your hammer, you will produce great work. Power tools can help you scale that. You can get some of the bulk work out of the way, but the fine grain work you will still have to do with your chisel and hammer, right? Like, you can't take a chainsaw to do, like a very detailed piece of art. I mean, some can. But again, power tools help you scale your craft, but don't necessarily make you better at your craft. The improvement in craftsmanship comes from practice, comes from like handling different situations. Like it's often said, right? There's no compression algorithm for experience. So the range of problems that you have to undergo to really be good at coding, that that does not change.